5:10 p.m. Free after the vlog.
Biogesic. Sa sakit ng ulo, mag-Biogesic agad. Ramdamang alaga, most doctor prescribe pa. Biogesic. Ingat! Champion Super Clean. Champion sa linis. Champion sa bango. 4.75 SRP na lang.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine. Relate sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa matcha, chocolate, putik, libas?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stay-away formula. Hanggang mapakit, malikit, at malupit na dumit plancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. For your car services and needs, we got you covered at Yokohama La Union Service Center of CJ Fernandez Enterprises Incorporated. We offer the following services: wheel alignment, change oil, wheel balancing, tire change, vulcanizing, brake checkup, under chassis, and battery replacement. We are also an authorized dealer and distributor of Yokohama tires and other tire brands such as D-Stone, Radar, Cylon, Westlake, Conforcer, and more. Yokohama La Union Service Center of CJ Fernandez Enterprises Incorporated is along National Highway beside Shell Oasis, Barangay Sevilla, San Fernando City, La Union, with contact number 0932-867-9135.
Advertise pa ang kuan. Naminaw ko sa Love Radio 101.7. Dili siya 90.7 kay na something wrong ang 90.7 Love Radio. Nabalhin siya 101.7 Love Radio. Karon mag-survey ko para ako'y lingaw ba. So, mora to guys. So, ko'y lingaw no. Naanad na kong survey guys. Na-addict na ko og Google Forms kaayo. Okay? So, see you later for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. 5:40 p.m.